This is the Customer Satisfaction SWOT Analysis. Here, you'll see a strategic summary of how your company is perceived by customers and how it compares to competitors. The analysis is divided into 4 main pillars: strength, weakness, threat, and opportunity. Start by clicking on strengths to see where your company stands out. These highlights are organized by category. Overall satisfaction. Your company is broadly well-rated across several aspects. Price. You stand out in topics related to pricing or perceived value for money. Product. Positive comments about quality, variety, or performance. Customer service. Praise focused on friendliness, speed, or support. Establishment. Recognition for physical structure, cleanliness, and organization. Main topics. Strong performance in specific frequently mentioned topics. Now click on weakness. Here, you'll see the main sources of dissatisfaction among your own customers. In other words, where your company needs to improve. Next, go to threat. This pillar shows where your competitors are receiving a lot of praise. In other words, areas where their customers are satisfied and where they are currently excelling. Finally, explore the opportunity pillar. It reveals your competitors' weak points based on the complaints they receive. In other words, areas where you can stand out and gain market share. And now you might be wondering, what should I do with this information? How can I improve my customers' experience? And how can I take advantage of my competitors' weaknesses? The answer lies in the next menu item, Action Plans. That's where you turn these insights into real decisions. Let's see how it works in the next video.